No matter what dish detergent you use, you're going to have a massive amount of buildup in your filter. It's important to check on your dishwasher's filter and clean it regularly. Look at all that built up food and oil. Ugh. Watch as our Alpiniå Labs all-natural Chef Soap breaks down all the grime and grease. Our Chef Soap leaves behind no residue, ensuring a spotless filter and clean dishes every time. And to keep your dishwasher running smoothly, don't forget to pair it with our natural dishwashing detergent. So upgrade to a cleaner, happier kitchen at alpiniolabs.com.